Hello Ryan. Today we are gonna work on another video, and today we are gonna, I think, open Mash'ems, but we could unbox Mash'ems. Mom, can you give me the item? I knew it was Legos. Combo! It's the ultra rare combo. Glow in the dark Red Titan. I knew it was Legos. Let's see where my mom has unboxed it. Oh. I hope I get combo. Combo. I got the glow in the dark one. Now, as kids, this one can glow in the dark. So when Combo gets really red, then he gets super angry, guys. Let's see if I can unbox this thing. Can you give a little help, Mommy? Look at my slime over there, it's cool. Look at my slime over there, it's really cool. I mean the video, look at my slime. Hi, I am a... Oh, hi. Bye? Wait, I thought you gave me more. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.